What's happening, fandoms? Welcome back to the channel if you're new here.
We react to music videos and shows.
Today we're checking out a new artist for the channel. We've had many suggestions that we cover Vanny Vabiola, and we're going to see him?
It's a her.
We're going to see her cover Celine Dion's The Power of Love. Let's
Here we go.
The whisper, the whispers in the morning.
Ooh.
Of lovers sleeping time.
Wow.
Rolling by tender night.
Ooh.
As I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, love that I cannot forsake. 'Cause I'm your lady, and you are my man.
Wow.
I am very impressed with her voice.
Yeah.
That was amazing. Very clear.
Love Celine Dion. This is one of my dad's favorite songs.
Yeah.
And one of my favorite songs, too, when Celine Dion first got on.
It's a beautiful song.
Yeah.
And her voice is crystal clear.
Yeah.
It is so good. Wow.
Well, thank you for suggesting this to
Yeah,
us.
that's
Oh, my goodness.
She's got real power and just that crisp
in her voice.
Crisp and sharp. She's so good. Wow.
It sounded like Celine Dion.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree. Very well done. Let's keep going.
Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can. Lost is how I feel. Lying in your arms. When the water says too much to take, that all ends when I'm with you. Even though there might be times it seems I'm far away.
Nice
Never
run.
wonder where I am, 'cause I am always by your side. 'Cause I'm your lady, and you are my man.
Woo.
She's very comfortable
Oh,
in
yes,
her
she
power.
is.
Her voice is much stronger when she's when she's really belting.
Yes.
The other parts, the softer parts, I could leave or take. But man, when she's up in those
high notes,
up in the high notes and in those strong phrases, she is just rock solid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very, very.
And she
powerful.
made it her own at the little, when it's kind of like the regular vocal. She made it as her own.
Yeah,
and
then when some runs in there and stuff. Yeah.
Then when she gets to the high notes, quite incredible.
Yeah. Very.
Wow.
Yeah. Very
Impressive.
high fidelity.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can. Wherever you
Like that run.
Sometimes I am frightened, but I'm ready to learn of the power of love. The sound of your heart beating made it clear suddenly.
Woo!
The feeling that I can't go on is long years away.
Woo!
Wow, she held that one.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm your lady, and you are my man. Whenever it is for me, I'll do all that I can. We're heading for somewhere I've never been. Sometimes I am frightened, I am ready to learn of the power of love.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Almost finished.
That was interesting. That last one where she held it way up high and then did a run down from it.
Yeah.
That
Her
was
volume of
interesting.
her vocal is just like, whew. She makes it look like it's flawless, but Celine Dion is not an easy task to do.
Yeah.
Her vocals are just up and down, and you have to have that breathing moment. She is just amazing.
Yeah, well, she's doing a great job with the singing, but
Yes.
this video is not from the take that we're listening to.
Yeah.
We're cutting in and out and all sorts
Yeah.
of things. So the video is post-edited,
Right.
but the sound is flawless.
Oh, yes.
So it can appear very flawless because she's not actually singing at full volume here. This is just different footage,
But I can't wait to see her, like in a live. That
it would be cool to see her singing live.
Yeah.
Where did you say she was from?
Indonesia.
Of course. All of these amazing artists from Indonesia. Yeah.
Well, a lot of, our audience recently had been like
Lots of Indonesia.
a lot of recommendations and suggestions. And I said, we'll put it on our list and we'll do the best we can because it's been a lot of suggestions, you guys. Well, we are so grateful and thankful.
Powerful, talented singers.
Yeah.
So let's
And
let her
we
finish
still
up.
have a lot of things to work on
All right. She's got a little bit
on our
left
list.
here. Here we go.
Woo.
Nice.
I didn't know she had that whistle tone.
Yeah, we got a little bit of a couple of whistles there. Definitely an impressive performance.
Yes.
We got lots of power and
volume of her vocal.
But so clear. She's just crushing it up at full volume.
Yeah.
So not everybody can keep their voice clear when they're, turned up to 11.
Yeah.
So that's
pretty impressive.
That is very good.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty impressed with Vanny.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I liked it. So thank you guys so much for suggesting that we check her out.
You guys never disappoint us.
Yeah.
Well, thank you again for tuning into our channel. Don't forget to give your love and support to Vanny Viola. Her link will be in our description below. Thank you for all your love and support in the Indonesia community here. You guys have been so outpouring support to Putri and to Shaka Khan, Dimas and Pati, to all the
various
stars
Indonesian
and
artists
the
that we've
artists
been
we
covering.
have. You guys are just been such an amazing community to us. It's just been awesome support. Thank you for your recommendations and your suggestions. Please keep them coming. We really enjoyed reading your comments. Really appreciate them. Thank you for watching our new channel and liking our videos to get the algorithm going. Thank you for your love and support to our small mighty channel to help us grow. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.